Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will talk about how to get data from stored procedure to Power BI and with parameter. Okay, here you can see this is our employees table. So I'll create a simple parameter to get data from department wise all the employees. Okay, so I'll create like create procedure. I'll give name get employee details. Okay, now I need a variable to get the department varchar 50. Okay, as begin select star from employees where department equals to department, right? Run this. So I'll execute this one. Execute parameter SP name, and I need HR details. So HR. So here you can see I got employee details of HR department. Okay, so now I need to load this stored procedure into Power BI, right? So what I have to do, to go to Power BI, from I need SQL Server, so it will be localhost, database is my Office database. Okay, in advanced editor I will put this one. Okay, execute HR. Okay, so if I click on OK, so you can see I got HR department details. Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to go to Power Query. Okay, go to transform data, I came to Power Query. So here I need to create a parameter. Go to manage parameter, new parameter. Okay, I'll give a name like department param. Okay, type I need text, suggested value any value, and current value is HR. Click on OK. So parameter is created, but this is a static value. Okay, so what I have to do, I need to go to query one, this one, and I need to go to advanced editor. So in advanced editor, so here you can see this is now hard coded, so I need to remove this one. Okay, here I need to put the variable name department, okay, equals to first quotation, second quotation. Okay, now I need to in between put and percent, then I need to put the parameter name. So department param. Okay, again and percent, like this you can put. Okay, so this is like it is taking every department. If my name is Shubhadeep, so name equals to Shubhadeep, any other name, the name equals to any other name. Okay, it is taking like this a parameter. Okay, click on done. Okay, so now in parameter, here you can see this is HR, I need IT. Click on IT, manage parameter, click on OK. In query, here you can see it is changed to IT. Okay, now I need finance. go to department, change it to finance, manage parameter, click on OK, go to query 1. Here you can see finance department, it is showing. So it is very useful, okay, in our real life scenario, real time projects we used to do this. So it is very useful for Power BI development. So if you like my work, please subscribe to my channel, share it among your friends, support to my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.